Here are the top 3 things to say to ChatGPT to drastically improve your results. So when you give ChatGPT a command, one of the main things about its response is that it is going to be very basic unless you use the 3 rules that I am telling you about. Without using these 3 rules, one of the things that happens with ChatGPT's responses is that it sounds a lot like they've just copied everything off of Google. And that's not the point of ChatGPT. Am I right? So, one of the things that you can do, number 1, calling it an expert. If anyone has seen the internet or in fact looked at content related to ChatGPT, you would know that calling ChatGPT an expert would be incredible for its responses. When you don't call ChatGPT an expert and you just ask them a question, you'll get a very basic reply, like this one. When you call ChatGPT an expert, use the following words. Pretend that you're an expert. Now let's focus on my work. I want to see the do's and don'ts of saving money. Pretend you're an expert in financial advice. What kind of advice would you give me to save money and invest further? That's the kind of view that you are looking for. Number 2, you want answers to be super unique and you want answers to specific problems that you're trying to solve. And one of the things that you can do is you can ask ChatGPT to play the devil's advocate. Doing that would genuinely improve its response by 10x. And lastly, number 3, hype up ChatGPT. As a human, wouldn't you want to be hyped up when someone's asking you for advice? If someone very blandly comes and asks you for advice, it's not a very good look, right? Similarly, you need to do the same for ChatGPT. Call it an expert or call it a consultant. Ask for its consultancy services. That's how ChatGPT will give you an in-depth response to whatever you're looking for. If I'm looking for financial advice, I would say that ChatGPT, you are a consultant in financial advice. If I require financial advice, I would ask ChatGPT or I would tell ChatGPT, you're a consultant in giving financial advice or financial investments. What would you help me do? Or what would you advise me to do? Is your next step. That's how you will get a much better in-depth response. By implementing these 3 strategies, you can maximize your ChatGPT experience and generate responses that you are actually looking for. Well guys, I had a great time telling you about ChatGPT. For more such content on ChatGPT, keep looking at our In the World of ChatGPT on the app. See you next time.